Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I have had a package from NTS. So I am going to open this with you all now. There's a couple bits in here that I bought, but the other one is a mystery box. So I've got absolutely no idea what's inside that. Finally got into the box. So here I'm just showing you I bought some new tips for the FX forehand that I already have from NTS. And I purchased a new nail glue. So this is the mystery box. So you can buy this from the NTS website, which stands for Nail Tech Supplies, in case no one knew that. And it's only £20, guys. Like, you should see what you get in here for £20. It's brilliant. So we'll open up the first little bag. I love the way it's all wrapped as well in these little pinstripe bags. They're so cute. So inside this first bag we have some gems. Look at these sparkly ones. And there's so many gems in this little pack. And this one's like, sort of like, excuse me, like the horse eye sort of shapes. I've come upstairs to do this because the dogs are going crazy downstairs. I was going to voice over it as I was filming, but you know, dogs are worse than kids sometimes. So in this bag we have a little chrome powder. Once I get it out. So this one's called Angelic. And it's like a silvery white sort of chrome. I'm just gonna open this up and show you. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna have to do a set and pop this in it, I think. Next we have some silver foil. Always comes in handy. And this one is like pink mylar. But it's like a full bag. There's so much in there. So in this one, excuse me, there's 3 little pots of glitter. So this one's like a plummy pink sort of hexagon mix. It's a chunky one. I didn't swatch the glitters, but I do swatch the acrylic that you get in this box. And this one's a little pot of hollow butterflies. You can never go wrong with butterflies either. Everybody's been going daft for butterflies just now. And this one's like a rainbow sort of dot mix. I'm pretty sure I threw half that over the table there. And this is the really good stuff. I've actually got some acrylics sitting in my basket at NTS, and these 2 were the ones I have in it. So I know I can remove them now because I have them. So this one is called Hollow. And these come in 15-gram tubs as well. My camera is not picking up that hollow as much as it really should. It's so hollow. It's like unreal. And this pink one here is Harley Quinn. And this is a really pretty pink. It's like a creamy pink. And the last pack And this is the core powder, so you get a big 45 gram tub of this. And this one is Naked. Sorry, excuse me. It's such a beautiful colour. So I'm going to swatch these now. So first up here, I am sure we have Hollow? No? Harley Quinn. It's going to be one or the other, isn't it? So I'm just going to pop this on. And this was so nice to work with. Like, it was just so easy to use. And the colour is like, the consistency as well. It's like, how can I explain it? It's like creamy. It's just so nice. Look at the colour as well. That would go nice with that mylar too, actually. So the next one will be the hollow one. Just showing you it there. Just pop that on. And it was like great as well, like using the excuse me, the glitter acrylic. Like, it did not stick to my brush. I expected like my brush to have like lots of glitter and stuff inside it, and it didn't. There was nothing on my brush. It's just so easy to work with. I just love it. And you see the hollow a little bit better here. So we're going to use the Naked one now. And again, like, this was the same as the Harley Quinn. It was just like it's not even moving until I move it. It was just so nice to work with, just easy, and just like that creamy consistency. This colour would be beautiful in an ombre as well. There we go. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. So seriously, if you were thinking about getting anything from NTS, get the mystery box. You cannot go wrong for £20. Like, seriously, all this for £20. Just brilliant. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you all again in my next one. I've left a little video, a little photo at the end here with everything that came in this box. See you soon.